Welcome to my other flip. Obviously you can see it's crazy. Hoarders used to live here. It's a wild, very wild place. But the reason why we're outside first is because I gotta show you something fun. We gotta go through the jungle. As you can see, we need to get rid of all this stuff. We got a tree that's potentially ruining the foundation there. However, this is what I wanted to show you. So I got this house at a really good price because of this bad boy. So basically, there was a plumbing leak, and since hoarders lived here, they haven't fixed this roof. If you come over here to the side, you can see that there's a hole. So literally for decades, there's been water that's been dripping into the soil. And since we're in Florida, soil, it really sucks here. That's why there's not the greatest grass. But it's kind of hard to tell through video, but this is the lowest point of this entire lot. So whenever water comes from that way or that way, it comes right here. And the soil got soft enough where it just crumbled. And then we have rain and hurricanes here, so it gets crumbled. And if you kind of come over here, you can see that where it started. So we'll go inside and you'll see more. But this is a hefty project. Right? It's got it at a good price. It's going to cost minimum 100 grand to fix this up. But you can see the hoarders, they left all this stuff out. They moved to Oklahoma. But that's the beauty for an investor, right? That means there's opportunity for us. So let's take a look inside. All right, so now we're about to go inside. As you walk by, as my beautiful wife walks by, she's going to point out all these wasps that we have to deal with. But it's going to be a very quick tour. There's fleas, there's rats, there's cats, there's dogs. That's all that was in here. So because of that, it stinks really bad, piss smells, all that stuff. So I'm gonna talk fast, I'm gonna move fast. Hopefully you can keep along. We're just trying to make sure we don't get eaten up by fleas at our time. So let's do this. Watch out for the wasp. Look at all those wasps. All right, now we come in here. Here it is. Oh, it smells so bad. Here is everything open. We're gonna close that wall off. You can see where the thing starts to go down. So this is where the foundation starts to go down. It's hard to tell by video, but you kind of get the gist. Oh God! Wait. You can see the cracks. You can see the cracks over there. It's crazy. Now, if you go in this bathroom, oh my God. There's a lot to do. There's a lot to do. But that is the beauty. That is the beauty. It is a wild one. So I'm gonna break that down. I'm gonna break this wall. I'm gonna open up this entire kitchen. As you can see, this kitchen has a lot of opportunity, but we can't do anything now since the foundation. If we move anything right now, the house could literally fall. Here's the bed, the living room. No surprises, nice. You can see what's nice though, there's not really fleas getting on me right now, so that's nice. But standard, you can see all the clippings from different animal stuff. We're gonna get rid of all this paneling because obviously it looks horrible. Basic room. Then we're gonna go through this nasty bathroom. Excuse my profanity. I hate touching things in here.
Oh my gosh!
Scared me. Now let's get out of here.